Dive into advanced Python scripting with Orange data mining. First off, let's quickly cover why you might want to use Python scripts with Orange. While Orange has a lot of great built-in widgets, Python allows you to create custom features and handle unique calculations. You can manipulate and pre-process text in ways that Orange's default widgets might not fully support. And if you're working on advanced research, want to design custom models, Python lets you integrate new learners into your Orange workflow. You can import any Python library and harness additional functionalities right inside Orange. Open the Python script widget in Orange by dragging it into your workflow. Inside the script, you can import the necessary libraries. For example, we'll be using this code. Once you run the script, you can connect it to a data table widget to see your data. You'll see two records, one for a 25-year-old male and one for a 30-year-old female in this example. The great thing here is that you can customize Python to create highly customized datasets for any project. Let's, for example, add a random noise to the dataset. We'll use a Python script widget and use this code to add noise. After running the script, we'll connect it to the data table widget to see the results. Now let's talk about some common challenges people face when using Python scripts in Orange. Always make sure you correctly define the domain with the right types of variables. Make sure to output your data properly by using table in Orange format, or widgets won't recognize it. Double check all necessary libraries are important, especially if you're using external Python libraries. If you're doing advanced analysis, don't forget you can bring in libraries like pandas, scikit-learn, or even matplotlib to enhance your workflows. If you're experimenting, it's often useful to generate random datasets as placeholders before you load your actual data.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.